We've all dreamed of breaking away from that 9 to 5 work life, having a bit of freedom to do and go where you like. Here at Business with Joe, we did that and moved to France, so why can't you? Money. We know that's what it boils down to, but what if there was a way of still making the same or more and giving yourself the life you want, where you want? Passive income is a big thing for us, and one of the best ways of doing this is through affiliate marketing. And in this video we will show you how with some great tips and guidance. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, as every week we bring you new ways to make money and give you the life you want. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a popular way to drive sales and generate online revenue. It's great for both brands and you as affiliate marketeers. The old ways of marketing are expensive, so there are new approaches to how to market a product, and affiliate marketing is one that is working. But don't take our word for it, look at the facts. 81% of brands and 84% of publishers use affiliate marketing to sell, and this is expected to rise over the coming years. There is a 10% increase in affiliate marketing spending in the United States alone during 2020. 6.8 billion was spent. 16% of all orders made online can be connected to the impact of affiliate marketing. And back in 2017, Amazon changed the way it offers affiliate marketing rates and started offering between 1 and 10% of product revenue for creators, meaning that affiliates could dramatically increase their passive income stream. So how do you become a successful affiliate marketeer? You need to build a good, honest standing. Like any new business, building a relationship with your customer is so important, and that is the same with affiliate marketing. You'll want to build an audience that has very specific interests, or as we keep on saying, niches. This will allow you to pin down your affiliate campaign to whatever niche you decide to go into. Establishing yourself as an expert in one area instead of promoting a scattergun of products will mean you'll be able to market to the people most likely to buy the product. Be personable. There is no shortage of products you'll be able to promote, but you should only pick products that you personally believe in. Make sure that your campaign centers around things you believe in and are really valuable products that consumers will enjoy. You'll achieve great conversion rates while establishing the reliability of your personal brand. Reviewing products and services. A great way to build a good relationship with your customers is to review products, good and bad ones, that fall within your niche. Building a relationship with your audience not only holds you up as an expert, but if you tell them warts and all about products, they will trust you when you promote a great product or service. Use different selling methods. Some people use an email campaign, while others spend time making money with a blog, or social media, or even cross-channel promotion. Test a mixture of marketing types to see which one your audience responds to the most, and then make frequent use of this technique. Choose your products carefully. No matter how good you are at marketing, you'll make less money on a bad product and lose trust. Take the time to study the demand for a product before promoting it. Make sure to research the seller with care before teaming up. Your time is money, and you want to be sure you're spending it on a product that is profitable and a seller you can believe in. Keep up with the trends. There is a lot of competition in affiliate marketing. You want to make sure you stay on top of any trends to ensure you remain competitive. Also, keep up with new marketing techniques that are constantly being created. Be sure you're keeping up to date on all these new strategies to guarantee that your conversion rates and therefore your revenue will be as high as possible. So some of the affiliate marketing strategies you should be using. Only recommend products you are familiar with. Building trust with your audience is paramount in affiliate marketing, and the quickest ways to lose trust is to recommend products either you haven't used before or that aren't good fit for your audience. Also, make sure you never tell anyone directly to buy a product. You are simply recommending that product. The more helpful you are and the more you make quality recommendations, the more likely your web visitors will come back for your expertise. Promote products from many different merchants. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. If you only promote from one merchant's products, you are stuck with their commission, their landing pages, and ultimately their conversion rate. It's important to work with many different merchants in your niche and promote a wide range of products. This affiliate marketing strategy will diversify the number of commissions you make and create a steady stream of revenue when building an affiliate website. Constantly test and optimize your conversion rate. If you have a promotion page where you're promoting a product via an affiliate link and you currently get 5,000 visits a month at 2% conversion rate, you have 100 referrals. So to get 200 referrals, you can either focus on getting more than 5,000 visitors or simply increasing the conversion rate to 4%. Which sounds easier? Instead of spending months building domain authority with blogging and guest posts to get more organic traffic, you just have to increase the conversion rate by 2%. This can include landing page optimization, testing your call to actions, and having conversion rate optimization strategy in place. By testing and optimizing your site, you'll get far better results with much less effort. Focus on traffic sources. It's important to know where your traffic is coming from and the demographics of your audience. This will allow you to customize your message so that you can provide the best product recommendations. Traffic sources may include organic, paid, social media, referral, display, email, or direct traffic. You can view traffic source data in Google Analytics to view things such as time on the page, bounce rate, geolocation, age, gender, time of day, and devices such as mobile or desktop. This analytical data is crucial to making informed decisions, increasing your conversion rate, and making more affiliate sales. Affiliate marketing is a great solution for those looking to gain control of their life and their income. Working in tandem with a seller, a good affiliate marketeer will be able to achieve a passive income from the comfort of their home without worrying about producing their own product or service. Although the success of the job depends on your affiliate marketing skills, it can prove to be an effective way to meet your income goals as either a primary career or a profitable part-time job. It's a straightforward process, affiliate marketing via reviews, blogs, social media and other platforms. Follow the tips included in this video and you'll engage your audience, convert passive customers into active customers and ultimately make money. Let us know how you get on. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.